Once upon a time, there was a man named Peter. Peter was eager and full of hope as he embarked on the journey to build his own home. However, Peter fell into the trap of the first common mistake, not setting a realistic budget. He started off with high hopes, but as the construction progressed, the costs spiraled out of control. Before he knew it, he was knee-deep in debt with an unfinished house. Peter's dream turned into a financial nightmare, all because he didn't plan his budget wisely. The second story involves a woman named Emily. Emily had a clear vision for her dream home, but she made the mistake of not hiring a professional architect. She believed she could save money by doing it herself, but her lack of expertise cost her dearly. The house's structure had numerous flaws and the design was not up to code. Emily's dream home ended up being a safety hazard, all because she tried to cut corners where it mattered most. Next, we have the tale of Sam. Sam fell into the pitfall of choosing the wrong builder. He went with the most affordable option, ignoring the builder's lack of experience and negative reviews. The result? Poorly done work, missed deadlines, and a house that was far from the dream he envisioned. Sam's attempt at saving money ended up costing him time, peace, and quality. Our fourth story is about Lisa. Lisa committed the error of not considering the future. She was so wrapped up in the present that she didn't think about how her needs might change over time. A few years down the line, the house that once seemed perfect was now inconvenient and didn't serve her changing needs. Lisa's dream home became a source of regret as she realized she hadn't future-proofed her plans. Lastly, we have the tale of John. John made the mistake of not getting everything in writing. He trusted verbal agreements and handshakes, but when things went south, he had no documented evidence to back up his claims. John's dream house ended up being a source of legal headaches and disputes, all because he didn't insist on written contracts. These stories serve as cautionary tales for anyone embarking on the journey of building a house. Avoid these common mistakes, be wise and meticulous in your planning, and your dream home will stand as a testament to your foresight and prudence. Remember, building a house is not just about bricks and mortar. It's about creating a haven that will stand the test of time, serving you and your loved ones for years to come. So plan wisely, choose carefully, and build thoughtfully.